everyone! So today I am in M1. I've got a special request from our viewers from Singapore actually. Can you show us about one place that is like a place where you can shop? This one. So today is shopping day and this M1 is actually, if I can show you 360 degree, there is Pranowo, not Prabowo. Oh, congratulations to Mr. Prabowo, already the brand new president in Indonesia. See, I talk many things because my eyes is everywhere. That is the Lidl there, shopping, salon, KTV Euro. I don't know what's the name of the brand. It's actually like this place, one spot, all the brand. Oh, IKEA. So today we will go to IKEA, and that's Decathlon. I think that's sport center. And yeah, you see, it's just like shopping. I hope that I don't break my husband credit card today. So let's go to the IKEA shopping time. Right, so today we will go there to the IKEA. I think that we will go shopping something. Yes, Kohanye?
Yeah, let's go.
Damian.
I have a low limit on the credit card. Okay.
So Damian day off today. So this is, I think, the special moment to go shopping. And yes, I got his credit card.
Actually, regarding the credit card, now it's cool. After so many years, I can have it, and I have a credit card. Not like in Indonesia, very difficult to get a credit card. Finally, in Europe, you can have a credit card and use it. Okay, let's go. Let's build the credit score, which is important.
Shopping o'clock. And look at this, how big is the IKEA? Where in Bali it's just like a small shop, but here, wow. Right, because it's lunchtime. First of all, we come here just for the lunch. Look at surround. Wow, so packed of people. I think that I'm the only one Asian here with my husband. Okay, I'll show you menu what you can eat in IKEA. Look at the chocolate cake here. All looks tempting. Oh, this one. And the price? So cheap. This one is the salad section. Oh, that's Pepsi. You can buy that. Wait, so basically that's the menu. And I think Damian will choose something with the fish. I don't know. All looks tempting. Look at this. Oh, wow. Baby, look at the bamboo lamp on the top. It's exactly like in Bali. Okay, smacznego kochani. So Damian get this food.
Salmon, very nice, by the way.
And then I brought this one. This one is the specialized in IKEA, right? The meatball one.
The meatballs.
And then this one is the dessert and drink. How much we pay? Around 68.50 zloty.
Right.
With the view of the shopping center, like this. It's time to go shopping. Let's go. So many nice furniture and big, huge.
Babi, nasi beguling. Oh, they have so many stuff like this. And what is it? Oh, little cat as well. Oh, this is
to have a pet at home.
the like this one for sure. Okay, that's nice. Hey, what sort of trolley is this, huh?
So cute.
Isn't it? Alright, let's go. That's the furniture section. Living room section, huh?
Kohanye, buy one this. Buy one this. Looks so nice. So what I see is that there are so many selection if you want to decor your house. I don't know, my eyes is somewhere around. So yeah. Baby, you look like a big boss behind the office. Big boss who only count the money, right? It's time to have coffee o'clock. So in the middle of the shopping place, I mean like showroom one, there is a one nice coffee shop here. So Damian buying coffee.
Look at this behind you, sayang. I will show to the people. the fika. Definition of fika. Fika is the concept of state of mind where in general, every time, no matter how busy you are, you should have a few minutes for having a coffee and little snack with your friends, with your family, or with your co-workers every single day. And no matter how busy you are, you should always find at least few minutes to have it. Fika. This is definitely my thing, sayang. My thing. Coffee o'clock.
That's why we always make a time for coffee o'clock. You only live once. Nice kitchen and dining room, right?
Don't later they will text me as when you have Adam with Junior.
I record you already.
Comments, huh?
I already record you.
And Uncle Slavik also will ask me.
Yeah, I already record you. Kochanie.
Schneik, schneik, schneik. They have a schneik. They have a monkey. That's the full zoo here, is it? The shark, this one.
Go.
Oh my god. But so many stuff for the kids, even little husky. There's not like that in Bali, right?
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Here a lot of stuff for kids.
Yeah. Let's go. Kochanie.
They have even little gaja here. Look at that, elephanti. Nice. So much nice stuff. I feel like a kid now. When I was a small kid, it wasn't like that. Now it's a lot.
At least we enjoy our life. That's the most important thing. Right, so this section is acting that pillows and everything. So many things here. This one is the blanket section. So many good stuff here basically. So this one is the carpet section. Wow. Look at this one. Wow. This one is made of bamboos. So many things that what I see and what I think that I should import it from Bali, but actually here already. And the rattan as well. And this one. Oh. And this one as well. And the price also affordable. Look at this one as well. The thing that lots in Ubud, here I can find it easily. And this bamboo lamp, right? So actually you literally can make a little Bali in Poland. And this one is the section of the wall decoration. Nice. So this one is the candle section and also the plants. Let's see what we will buy. Oh, many nice things here. And the selection. Look at the pot, so cute. Oh, the palm tree. I already bought one, the small one. So let's see. Look at this coconut tree. How much it costs? Cocos nucifera. 60 zloty. It's around 250,000 for one this. Wow. In my papa land it grows wildly. But here very pricey. Kochanie, what is this?
That's the IKEA warehouse. So simply if you buy something like a furniture table, bed or whatever, you just buy a box like this one and you look where is it and then you have to make it yourself. They are all the bolts and everything, so that's why it's cheap and everything affordable and so easy to, because this is like a table like this one to have, but you don't need to space for the table. You just buy this one and you just assemble by yourself at home.
I see.
Many other stuff like this one actually. So
wow, look at this. This is like the summer theme already. So in every season will be a different layout right, honey? Different furnitures. Cool. So huge. Wow, look at this. I know this is just the IKEA, like some people said IKEA, but look at this one. Wow. Okay, so it is checkout time. What thing that I feel like is super fancy is that you do your own checkout by this machine. Wow. It's dessert time. So we have
Or
lunch.
hot dog time.
We have lunch, coffee, and dessert here. Oh la la. This is my husband wants to buy ice cream.
Ice cream.
Oh, look at this.
The
Oh.
waffle come here,
Uh-huh. And then put it there.
right? And then
Just wait. Press.
Ooh, fancy.
Fancy, hey?
So automatically
Oh.
nice.
Smaczne kochanie. Try it. Nice?
Not bad actually.
Right. So at the end of the shopping, what we buy, honey?
Ice cream.
I think that's all.
What's the? We buy some frames. And we have the good fun, right? That's the most important
The
thing.
most important thing is
Have
just
the
like that.
lunch, ice cream. I had to change money for that. It was so much fun.
So yeah, I think that's the most important thing, right? At least we're showing you where to go, what to buy. That's the place. The rest, you can go shopping by your own. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
Bye.